Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Benefit Highbrow Highlighter. I've been using it for a good amount of time. It is a creamy textured highlighter that has a pinkish hue to it. It's made by Benefit. It's a brow lifting pencil is what they call it. Benefit is out of San Francisco, and it looks like it's made in Germany. Now, what you do with this highlighter, the Highbrow, is you use it to, well, it's actually getting on my stuff here, but I'm going to put it on my hand so you can see what it looks like. So it's a highlighter that looks like that, and then you can kind of smudge it in there a little bit, and it gives the eyebrow arch a nice lift. It gives a nice lift to your face and your eyes, make you look a little bit more well rested. It's they have another highbrow that has a metallic. This one has a pinky color to it. So both of them, the other one is called Glow, and that one shimmers. It's not just for fair skin or medium complexion. It works with any skin tone to highlight underneath the eyebrow and above. You want to apply below the eyebrow in the arch, and just right where the arch is above the eyebrow, you just put 2 dots and kind of melt it in. You can use a sponge. You can use a sponge if you want to melt it in a little bit more. You definitely need a larger sharpener because this is a wide width pencil. So you want to have a sharpener that's wide width. It's a great little product. And yeah, like I said, I found that my finger is my best friend when rubbing this in. I find that I can get away with just lining my eyebrows, using the highbrow, putting some mascara on and maybe a red lipstick, and I don't really have to put that many products on. I find that the highbrow really elevates my makeup game. I really enjoy it. I've been using it for a couple years. I also have it in the Glow. This one is just the original highbrow. So yeah, definitely something to add to your beauty arsenal if you haven't already. You can highlight with lighter eyeshadows, but I find this one lasts so much longer than any other powder or anything. It's kind of a creamy texture, and on my hand it looks wrinkly, but it's a creamy texture, and it lasts. It lasts the day. So when you're going for long wear, highbrow is my number one. I'd have to give this product a 5-star out of 5 stars. I've always been really focused on my brows because when I was in grammar school, I was teased for having very thick eyebrows. At no time did I have a unibrow, thank God. But I was teased for having large eyebrows, so I've always been obsessed with having the perfect shape, the perfect arch, and the perfect highlighter. So highbrow fits all of my needs. I don't find that I need an eyeshadow in that to highlight my brow bone below the arch. This pretty much does it, and makes me look like I'm a little bit more well rested, and it's just a great product. So I would check it out, definitely. Don't take my word for it. Once again, Benefit, based out of San Francisco, made in Germany, highbrow highlighting stick. So yeah, give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.